Here's the storm moving on out of here. Look at that hail. Man, got some big ass pieces. They're fucking golf ball size. Shit. Look at all this fucking hail. Man, look at these chunks over here. Shit. Man, enough hail around here, pack a cooler. Damn, that was crazy. That's a lot. That's a hell of a hailstorm. That's the biggest hailstorm I think I've ever seen. Shouldn't be going crazy. Raining and the sun's out. There's the whole sun and it's raining still. Storm that way. Storm went on by. Here's the storm moving on out. Wreaking havoc. Damn. That was a hell of a storm.